Stop concealer creasing into wrinkles.
What if I told you I'd found the remedy to under eye concealer creasing? You know, when the under eye looks a bit crepey, cakey? Well, I have, and it's this jojoba oil. I've worked with a British company called Botanicals to produce this organically certified cold pressed jojoba oil. The better jojoba oil, the more it's going to nourish and help your skin glow. So I've put on extra concealer and really moved my eyes to recreate the creasing that we get throughout the day when we move our face. What you're going to do is take one tiny drop of jojoba oil. Then with your ring finger, you are going to massage that oil into the back of your hand, and then on a dry patch of skin that doesn't have any oil, tap off, because we want the smallest of amount. I'm going to take the thin veil of jojoba oil and just pat and press that into any fine lines and creasing. Start off slowly, you don't want to put too much on. You'll notice as you press it in, it thins it out and it kind of disappears into the fine lines and any wrinkles. Hopefully you can see a difference on screen of how much more hydrated this under eye area looks compared to this under eye area where I haven't applied any of the jojoba oil. Now, if you're someone that's worried about any mascara smudging, I get a tissue and I just press and dab any excess oil away, and that really helps. This jojoba oil is one product that you can use no matter what your skin's going through. It really is a little miracle in a bottle.